Retirement is not the end, it's a new beginning. At Davies Wealth Management, we've seen retirees transform their hobbies into thriving side hustles. These ventures not only boost income, but keep you engaged and fulfilled. Imagine turning your passion into profit while enhancing your financial security. A side hustle can supplement your income, providing a buffer against unexpected costs and allowing for more enjoyable experiences. Whether it's freelancing, consulting, or teaching online, retirees are finding success and mental stimulation. Pursue your passions, like woodworking or pet services, and find the perfect balance between profitability and enjoyment. But remember, side hustles can affect your Social Security benefits and tax obligations. Proper financial planning is crucial. At Davies Wealth Management, we offer personalized advice to integrate your side hustle income into your financial strategy, ensuring it complements your retirement goals. Embrace the opportunity to blend financial security with personal fulfillment and turn your retirement dreams into reality. Visit our website for more insights on maximizing your retirement potential.